Hey guys, welcome to Next Gen Tech, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the MI Notebook Ultra. But before going ahead with this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Now let's unbox this laptop. There is not much inside this box, just the laptop itself and the USB Type-C power brick, along with some quick start guide and the instruction manual, and that's it. This is how the laptop looks with the Xiaomi branding in the center. This laptop is completely made up of polished aluminum with a unibody design which is very much identical to the MacBook Pro. The build quality is excellent, giving a premium feel, and there is no flex in any part of this laptop. The thickness of this laptop is just 17mm and the weight is around 1.7 kg, which is quite good compared to any other 15-inch laptop. This laptop comes with a 15.6-inch IPS QHD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. The display is excellent, color accurate and quite bright as well. The max brightness is 300 nits, and as the display is non-glossy, it is an anti-glare display, so outdoor visibility will be quite good. The main features of the display is the 90Hz refresh rate, and you can switch it between 60Hz to 90Hz with the function and the S button. The 90Hz refresh rate feels smooth, responsive while you are browsing or just you're normally using the laptop. Next, coming to the keyboard, it has a backlit keyboard with 2 levels of white light, and the typing experience is quite good. It has a good key travel of 1.5mm, and also it has a full-size arrow keys. It also has a dedicated macro keys as well. The touchpad is pretty good with all the gestures working just fine, and it has a clicky noise while pressing the touchpad down at the bottom side. The power button comes with a fingerprint scanner inbuilt, which is quite responsive and unlocks the laptop almost instant. This laptop also has a webcam, and it's a normal 720p webcam. Now coming to the ports, on the right side you will get a USB Type-A 3.2 port along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left side you will get a USB Type-C port which support PD charging, an HDMI port, a USB Type-A 2.0 port, and another Thunderbolt C port which also support PD charging, and it doesn't have any SD card slot. This laptop comes with a 2-watt bottom firing speaker which is decently loud, as you can hear. Now coming to the specs, this laptop comes in two variants, the one with i7 11th gen and another is i5 11th gen. The one we have has an Intel Core i5 11th gen with max core clock of 4.4 GHz with 4 cores and 8 threads. It has an Intel Iris Xe GPU. It has a RAM of 16GB DDR4 clocked at 32 MHz, and it is not upgradable as the RAM is soldered to the motherboard. The storage you get is around 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD and can be upgradable. With these specs, the laptop feels pretty fast, it boots quite fast, and the app launch is also quick. If you're wondering if you can do gaming with this laptop, then you certainly can do some casual gaming on this laptop like CSGO, Valorant or Dota 2. This laptop can handle casual gaming like CSGO at 1080p, and you will get around 60 to 80 FPS depending on the graphic settings you are playing at. As the Iris GPU is quite capable GPU than the previous generation, but you also have to keep in mind that this laptop is not for playing games, it's a proper notebook. On the battery, the MI Notebook Ultra comes with a 70 Wh battery with 65 Watt USB charger in the box. The battery is rated to last around 12 hours, but you can get around 6 to 8 hours depending on the users, and it also supports fast charging. Coming to the pricing now, this laptop comes at a price starting from 60,000 with i5 8GB variant and all the way up to 78,000 with i7 16GB variant. The one we have is an i5 16GB variant which costs around 64,999. But is it value for money? I will say it is. From the build quality to the specs it provides, along with a crisp QHD Plus display which supports 90Hz refresh rate, a backlit keyboard, a fingerprint scanner, it is a pretty good deal, I would say. So if you like this video, do smash that like button, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and you can also follow our social handles listed over here. So that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching Next Gen Tech.